establish industry-leading standards, create world-renowned brands. Hefei HUIDA Packing Machine Company Limited is reorganized and established by HUIDA Environmental Industry with investment of 200 million yuan and the original team of Anhui Zengran Packaging Technology Company Limited. The company was established in 2022 with a registered capital of 10 million yuan. The company covers an area of more than 50 acres and has modern factory building of more than 30,000 square meters. There are more than 100 employees and technical management teams on 30%, a professional management team and a refined management team inject a steady stream of development momentum into the company. After the establishment, under the leadership of our chairman, we have continuously established and improved the company's rules and regulations, implemented standardized management, and had a clear organizational structure. Everyone performs its own duties, takes its own responsibility, and cooperates with each other. With these effects, our company built totally a new culture. HUIDA Packing is a professional packaging equipment company, integrating development, research, production, sales and after-sales service. Among them, the granular and powder metering and packing technology is at its domestic leading level. In 1999, Mr. Li Yisheng designed and produced the automatic weighing machine and a vertical packing machine, which opened the era of intelligent packaging machines. In 2004, the intelligent secondary packing machine created a precedent and became the first in the industry. In 2008, the ultra-fine powder packing machine, which is special for 800 to 1000 mesh powder, was in the leading position in the same industry in China. Our product includes a vertical foam fill and seal machine, powder packing machine, bag-in-bag packaging machine, automatic box packing machine, heavy bag packaging machine, FFS packaging machine, fluid automatic cartoning machine, vacuum packing machine, weighing machine, weight sorting machine and metal detector, as well as the design and development of the entire logistics, production, transportation and packaging line. It can provide customers with perfect solutions and one-stop services in all directions. The scientific and technological team is centered on General Manager Mr. Li Yisheng. He graduated from Tongji University and has been deeply involved in the mechanical automation industry for more than 30 years. The company has obtained a well-known trademark in China and was rated as one of the top 10 enterprises in China's packaging machinery industry. The internal organizational structure of HUIDA Packing is sound, and the work coordination efficiency of various departments is high. The management team generally has nearly 20 years of professional experience and has strong comprehensive capabilities in all product design and development, manufacturing, installation and commissioning, technical training and after-sales service. The company now has 16 invention patents, 31 utility model patents, and 1 design patent. HUIDA Packing focuses on intelligent packaging machinery and equipment, abides by the core of quality, and continues to lead the development of the packing industry. We focus on providing cutting-edge intelligent packaging technology solutions for world manufacturing. New company, new image, new mission. In order to promote the development of the packaging machinery industry, all employees of Hefei HUIDA Packing Machine Company Limited will continue to carry forward the enterprise spirit of integrity, pragmatism, efficiency, and innovation, and do a good job as a shaper of the image of packaging machinery, a service provider of packaging machinery, an explorer of reform and innovation under the correct leadership, with the joint efforts of the majority of employees, combined with development needs of the new era. Overcome difficulties, forge ahead, integrate diverse resources, and build a well-known brand of packaging machinery in China, playing a leading role in the development of China's automatic weighing and packaging machine technology. HUIDA packaging will definitely paint a beautiful picture at times in the grand course.